Hey folks, guess what's buzzing in the smartphone arena? The Galaxy A55 5G is here, and it's all the rage. Why, you ask? This baby is a speed demon, thanks to its support for 5G and Wi-Fi 6, and it's powered by the new Exos 1480 processor. Imagine a brain boost of 167%. Graphics that are 32% more stunning, and a 15% faster performance. Wow, right? Now, let's talk memory. You've got choices between 8 or 12 gigabytes of RAM. They've skipped the 6 gigabytes version and jumped straight to 12 gigabytes for those who need extra space, all coming with a hefty 256 gigabytes of storage. And if that's not enough, you can slap in a memory card up to 1 terabyte. The Galaxy A55 5G is also tough as nails, with Gorilla Glass Victus Plus on both the front and back, all held together with a chic metal frame. Eyes on the prize with its 6.6-inch Super AMOLED display, boasting FHD Plus resolution and a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate, lighting up to a bright 1650 nits. The camera setup? Simply stellar. A 50 megapixels main camera, a 12 megapixels ultra-wide, and a 5 megapixels macro, plus a 32 megapixels front camera for those perfect selfies. And don't worry about battery life. The 5000 mAh battery and 25W fast charging have got you covered. For those who dig the details, it's got an on-screen fingerprint reader, Samsung Wallet, eSIM support, and Samsung Knox for unbeatable security. It's slightly bigger, but that's a small price to pay for such awesome features and performance. Keep your eyes peeled for March 11, 2024, because that's when it lands in India, with sales kicking off on March 18. This phone is a true game changer, combining top-notch performance with the latest tech goodies. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe. See you next time.